Oh, dude! A new adventure, new day in Norway. Can you hear that noise? That incredible...
I don't know how to get that.
An incredible noise. I'm gonna get a little bit closer because I want to get the full... Oh man, that's a lot of water. I got an idea. Nice montage, very good, very good. Look at that waterfall. It's a lot rainy today. Am I gonna record every waterfall? Probably, because this is what this video is about. Waterfalls in Norway. Because there's a lot, apparently, and it's raining, so they're pretty intense. This is a thing that we didn't get to do yesterday because we were in such a rush. But it's to touch Norwegian summer snow in the middle of the summer. Summer snow. Mountain snows. Snows.
It's very cold, huh?
Oh! It's basically just ice. But there's a lot of snow up in these mountains.
Forgot it again?
Yeah.
Snow. That's pretty cool. Tons of water! Hey, you fall into that? You did! Water! We haven't seen any more waterfalls, but we've stopped by this lake. I'm gonna fly some drone. Let's fucking go. New clip, new section, new destination. I hope you enjoyed the drone clips because the drone is no more. It crashed and the leg is broke, so I can't fly. But it's fine because we was driving uphill and the hill is insane, and we saw something that is also just as insane, and we're just running on the road, hoping there's no car here. Oh, look at this. Just somewhere up on a random mountain. Someone just put their old tractor. What? Hey Billy, do you take the tractor up on the road? We need to jump. Whatever that means in farmer language. It's just overgrown by plants. like there's just vines on it. On the exhaust pipe, there's just vines on it. Vines. Do it for the vine. Okay, sorry. Pretty cool, Mr. Gagok.
That's very awesome, man. I like tractors, I like old stuff, and I like overgrown stuff. It's like a perfect combination of stuff.
That's gnarly, dude.
Also, there's mountains, so it's like even perfect.
Yeah, perfectors.
Yes, oh, I'm still recording.
What is this? Vorhandelses Einschlamens Auto AS Davans. Norwegian. Åh, det er koldt! It's 6 degrees right now. We're on top of a mountain. And now we're at this old crappy ass shack. And a crappy ass pavement thing that's held together by gaffer tape. Norway. Visit that shit. I think Norway is everything that you will ever need. Like, we went from lush waterfalls to just a complete wasteland up on a hill. How you like your wasteland, Mr. Clock?
This is goddamn craziness.
What? Can you even see it? City down there.